Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you all are all doing great today. Thank you all for your likes, thank you for your comments, your subscriptions as well. For today's tutorial, this is my first attempt doing an ombre lips. So as you continue to watch, you will have to pardon me if you don't see perfection, but at the end of the video I finally got some part of it right. This is me working in progress. So do continue watching and let me know what you think at the end of this video. God bless you all. So the first lips that I will be doing, I use both products are by MAC. The pencil is called Night Months and the lipstick is called Dark Side. So the principle behind ombre is just for you to line your lips. They go from dark shade to lighter shade, then to another lighter shade, which is 3. So if you want to go the other way around, it's fine, but this is my first time attempting it. And I came in with a lipstick by MAC, which is called the Dark Side. I'll put the names of the brands and the product I use in my description box as well. After you apply the lipstick, you will close your lips together and match them together. I noticed that I needed to darken a little bit of my bottom lip. That is why I came in with a pencil in order for that side of my lips to dark a little bit more. Then I went for a lighter shade again. I pick up a glitter. You could use a lipstick if you want to, but I decided to go for a glitter. That was what came to my mind while I was doing it, and I applied that to the bottom part and to the other upper part of my lips. On to the second look, I'll be using number 308 Navy Spy by Loreal Infallible Paint. I'll be using that to line my upper lip and my bottom lip. To fill in my lips, I came in with 308 Violet Twist. It's also by Loreal Infallible Paints. I then match up my lips together in order to blend the two shades together. If you ever make a mess out of your, like outside your lips, I did some of that. I had to use a brush to clean it, to trace it out, then I wipe it off. Then I came in with a third lighter shade, which is called Spicy Blush. It's also by Loreal Infallible Paints. For the last look, I lost the beginning part of it. Please pardon me for that. I already lined my lips with Kiss lipstick, which is called Black Cahila. I then came in with Black Radiance lipstick in number 5016. That is what I'm showing you, that I already lined my lips, and that is the lipstick that I used to fill in. I lost the beginning part of this video, this particular section I mean. Please pardon me for that. And please let me know what you think at the end of this video. This is the part that I said it's like my perfection kind of ombre. I think I finally got it right, and you will see the reason why I said I got it right at the end of this video. So I now came in with a lighter shade of lipstick by NYX, which is called Gala. I matched my lips together just like what I've been doing in the previous ones, but this time around it clicked to me to just pick up a brush to blend it together as well, and this is huge difference for me. This is the part that I said from the beginning of this video that it's kind of perfection in my own way. So my advice to you is to use a brush at the same time. After you've clicked your lips together to blend it, pick up a lip brush and use it to blend it together as well. Thank you all for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, could you please subscribe, give me likes, comments, and let me know what you think about this video. Stay blessed. I will see you all in my next video. God bless. Bye.